Alright, there we go. Now I got the camera fixed. Alright guys, another episode here. Gonna get you some footage from on the river trout fishing this past week. Awesome time out there that I had. You can see March Madness is going on behind me, waiting for my Badgers to play. But I also want to bring up a new little hat. Keep it real fishing. Just awesome company. These hats are awesome. I will leave a description and the link below to his Instagram, and from there you will be able to purchase one of these hats. He's got shirts, hoo-rags, buffs, whatever you want to call them. These hats are freaking awesome. They're so comfy. Obviously I haven't really worn mine a whole lot. It's still been pretty cold up here in the north. But he's gonna definitely, he's helped me out a little bit, get some stuff into my hands that's keep it real stuff, so I appreciate that. And just want to let you know that he's out there and you guys can order from him on Instagram. And like I said, I'll leave that link below. But I also want to just go ahead and express something that I want to say for those guys that are out there watching the videos on the norm. I appreciate it a ton. I know over the winter it kind of gets boring up here in the north, but I'm going to really try and grow this channel before spring bass fishing, and a lot of that lot of help can come from you guys. So take my channel, put it on your social media. I'm gonna do obviously stuff on my social media, but put it out there, guys. Get as many followers as you can get. There's actually a company right now that I'm looking at, and they're just like, if you just get, you know, a couple more subscribers, stuff like that, a little bit more regular viewing, they'll be able to do something, and that would be an awesome opportunity and a big thing for you guys to see. So that would be really cool if I can get up there. Like I said, I'm going to do a lot of stuff with Instagram, and I'm going to try to do a little bit more on Facebook. But oh man, getting a little tired watching basketball, student teaching, everything's just weighing down. But I am ready to get on the water. I have been on the water a couple times with those trout situations, and you know, I love the trout bite. So without further ado, guys, thank you very much, and please go out and share that stuff. Share my channel, because it would help me out a big ton of. It would help me out a lot. Let's just say that. I can't even express how much it would mean for me and you guys to go out and share that stuff with your buddies, stuff like that. Just want to say thank you again to those who are subscribed and watching the videos. It means a lot. I love recording my adventures on the waters, and I hope you guys do too. But enough the chit-chat. We'll get to the video right now, so stay tuned. We got one. Look at that baby. Woo. Woo, we got one. What is up? Beautiful fish. All right, here we go for the release. Look at this beauty. Look at that color. That's awesome. Let's go for the release. How about that? First cast into the good current. Got a nice little trout. Let's see if we can get ourselves another one.